So I think these titles are up a little too short. Especially this one. See, things are actually getting cut off. I would cut out those zooms.
Our esteemed late Dean of the J. and Patty Baker School of Business and Technology, Stephen Frumkin, introduced the CCI Evergreen Sampling Loom to position FIT at the forefront of textile studies and woven production. This has been a very useful tool to demonstrate the innovations in automated weaving to students. The Evergreen Sample Loom was designed to produce all kinds of woven fabrics from upholstery and apparel to industrial textiles. Its compact size makes it possible to produce small amounts of fabric without the investment in time, space, and material in a variety of patterns and yarn combinations. The essential accessory to the loom is the...
So at that point right there, I would bring in the sound lower of the loom, if you can. Start off a little bit lower, this way it doesn't step on Ruben's voice.
TI warping machine, which can produce a 22-inch wide warp from one or more cones of yarn. Besides its value for weaving samples and commercial promotion of their latest fabrics, the loom has educational applications. Technical information from Weave Design software can be transmitted easily to the loom's control system. Now I'm selecting the pattern that we are going to...
So there's something there, he's saying now I'm, that get lost in the dissolve or the transition, the wipe transition.
Start weaving on the loom. We're going over a couple of different files from students and professors to select the weave that we would like to demonstrate.
Again, this is a long shot.
Faculty and students can turn their ideas into reality, interacting with the equipment in engaging ways. One favorite student project is to enter a name into the computer interface and see it woven in real time. Students at FIT learn how to utilize the principles of weaving to familiarize themselves with the design strategies.
So just the fact that he says that, it means, you're kind of waiting to see that. It would have been nice, to see the loom weave some letters there. Maybe the letters F-I-T.
Used in the industry today, as well as with the principles of more complex weaving styles like the draw, loom, and jacquard.
The background sound here is a little hot too. Remember, people are watching this only one time, and you want to make sure that his voice is right up front.
The power loom has 24 harnesses, which conforms to today's industry standards for woven production, and allows for large-size pattern repeats, as well as complex weave combinations within a textile.
Cut it. We're back on the screen
again. The control panel has several useful functions for setup and troubleshooting. The yarn repair function allows to move aside the reed and lift harnesses for easy access to the heddles during yarn repair.
So start that shot
and alert the weaver in case a single yarn breaks. The loom also enables regulated beating force and permits determining precisely different fabric densities known as the picks per inch, which is a challenging aspect of the hand weaving process. The Evergreen Loom gives FIT students exposure to industrial weaving equipment in our campus textile lab, preparing them for future careers in the textile industry.
Thanks. Maybe also in the beginning, that music, which is kind of interesting, starts just a little bit earlier because the picture starts without it. And I think it sets a nice tone. See? Right there. Maybe a split second sooner.